Said Iyabo Ojo told him that Naira Marley must go down because of what Naira Marley did to her. And Naira Marley Drugg Priscilla Ojo can't do forceful entry on Priscilla Ojo. See, wait, person just die, never tell, don't they? Do you understand? So I can't say, please, if you want to connect money, this is wrong. They can't say na for mobile Pekin. I say no. Say how na take they should say na mobile Pekin. All in because me, I wanted to stop that donation. Like I tell you today. Because it was not right. It only means that there's something going on that we didn't know. So I say no. Are you sure that is the child of Mohbad? Oh, yeah, do DNA. Because normally for investigation, you go do DNA. Because the Pekin never, nobody said the Pekin don't big. Now still small Pekin. Do you understand? So there's high chance. Say maybe Mohbad discover something. This is just normal investigation. No malice, no bad intention. Normal. So this boy just, okay, maybe Mohbad discover something. Maybe she and the person where Mohbad catch, they join hand by him. Just maybe, just for investigation, nothing more. Immediately I thought, say, make people not donate again. Mohbad wife, sister, say she go sue me if I talk again. I can't send 100 naira to the account. Can't talk, say, my 100 naira did the account, and I have the right to know where the money they go. As I just do like that, they keep quiet. No, don't talk again. Now, so that donation thing cast that period. But some people still contributed a lot, which it be like saying, now I can enter this Davido PA account. But let's leave all those one. By the way, why were they interested in Mohbad's assets? Where make all of them within themselves? They were saying, Mohbad manager need to come clean. Belashmoda people need to come clean on waiting they their hand. When I want to share them, what was the motive for that? That was not justice for Mohbad. Justice for Mohbad is supposed to be waiting by him. Or, according to you people, the people were bullying him. Now, let's take this one, by the way. According to what Davido PA told somebody, he said Iyabo Ojo told him that Naira Marley must go down. And this thing I'm saying now, some people in the group know about this. Said Iyabo Ojo told him that Naira Marley must go down because of what Naira Marley did to her. Say what? That Naira Marley Drugg Priscilla Ojo can't do forceful entry on Priscilla Ojo. So for that reason, Marlians will go down. And Naira Marley will go down until we save them. Now, when I heard this, I paused. I said, wait a minute. If truly say this thing happen, Iyabo Ojo, she did very vocal. The matter for don't cast. That would be a very good reason to put Naira Marley in jail. If that thing truly happen. Priscilla Ojo said, go for fit talk. Nobody think they go hide now. Do you understand? Nobody these same people follow go do Baba Ijesha case, Princess and Baba Ijesha case. So if truly say Naira Marley do forceful entry on Priscilla, if for cast, unless if maybe it was a lie, they were just putting all those agenda so that the people in the group will have more hatred towards whatever thing they want to do. Now, need I remind you, some people in this group actually came for justice for Mohbad. I said it before in my first video. Why some other persons already know what they want to do with that group? Like this Dre now. Do you understand? Then later in the chat, I can't see something where Aloma post. I shocked. That one called me. I can't say, wait. How Aloma DMW take know about this so soon? I'm going to post that next. I'm going to post that next. But again, Mona tell them, Sam Clef, all these rounds where they round, there's no need. Screen record the chat from start to end, including all the voice notes. Then Nigerians judge. Verydarkman, the man. When Nigeria just judge. Jigon, you are very clean. Oh, you don't know anything. Now when the thing, no problem. Screen record everything in that chat and post it. If you delete anything, I go no. Yeah, including all the voice notes when Nigerians here. But in absence of that, shh, let me just continue. When Nigerians know the kind of people wanna be, you all are evil people. Evil people. A deliberate act to hide work by that boy and push a narrative. You see, Nigerian police even don't even know. Anyways, peace and love, don't play. If you play gun, I will learn the hard way.